Hi everyone. In this video we will show you how to create emails using the new Eventival template builder. You can find the new editor in two places: in Setup, in the General section dedicated to email, or in a personal profile in the Mail submodule. In both cases, clicking on the green button, called Add New or New Email, will open the new editor. For the purpose of this video, we will demonstrate how it works while creating email templates in Setup. If you wish to create a new template, click the Add New button and select one of the options: Pre-made layout, empty layout, or custom HTML code. If you're not sure which one to choose, start with the first one. It's a great way of exploring the new editor. Regardless of your choice, at first you always need to define the general settings of your email, such as the name of your template, its subject, sender's name and address, or attachments. You also need to define the template type. It can be an automatic message, such as a payment confirmation, or a custom template, sent only when you decide to do so. The body of your email can be built in several ways. In the pre-made layout, you will see an example prepared by us. It already has a header, a few content blocks and a footer added to it. You can replace our texts and images with your own, add more blocks, remove the ones you don't need, or rearrange their order. If you decide to go for an empty layout, you start with a blank page, but the available tools and logic are the same. Here you can build your template from scratch by adding basic elements, but if you wish you can also still use our pre-made headers, content blocks and footers. Finally, you can also build your template using the custom HTML code option. This way is useful for the users already familiar with creating web documents in HTML, or those who wish to import to Eventival a layout created in some external editor. Of course, the new template builder still offers you the useful automatization options previously known from Eventival, such as generated PDF attachments and personalization with merge fields. We will elaborate more on these features in our next videos. Remember that you can still access your old email templates. Clicking on the pencil icon will open the previously existing simple editor, while clicking on the paint roller icon will clone the email to the new one. To find out more about creating emails in Eventival, subscribe to the YouTube channel for the upcoming videos.